Hello. So today we'll be eating an unusual thing. If you're new here, I'm Caroline, and so so let's get started. Squishy scissors. Squishy scissors. So this squishy I got from Classic Fun Center. It's squishy, but it's like not slow rising, which I don't like. So I'm gonna find a crack. Oh my gosh. Okay. Just did like that. There's many cracks, so I'm gonna find a big one. Okay, found one right there. And let's see how satisfying cutting a squishy is. It's hard. It's hard to cut a squishy. It's not easy. Well, now it's huge. Oh my gosh. Ripping it is satisfying. Guys, just look at that. Okay. So now it's like a ringlet. It opens up, goes into a C for Caroline. Just for me. Okay, now it's Pac-Man. Okay, I'm getting carried away. I don't know what I'm trying to make it into, but I'm trying to make it into something new. And now I'm gonna make the sides flat. That is not flat. Does that look anywhere near flat to you? No, it doesn't. No. Not flat. You can see the little dips in it. Okay. Anyways, so I'm just gonna kind of think as I go. So I got the good cutting point. It's around like right here. Oh shoot. Look at that. It was almost there. Oh my gosh, it's so messy. So messy. Okay, yeah. On camera, it doesn't look smooth, and in real life, it's not smooth. How am I gonna make this thing smooth? Okay. I should make this cut. That's as smooth as I can get it. Sorry, but the camera adds a lot more lighting, so it's more smooth than it seems when it's right here, okay? It's really not dipped. It's just teensy. Okay, now I know what to do with this side. Just chop that off. Oh, it wasn't that simple. So it's getting easier to cut now I know the cutting point. What if I just try to slice all of that off? I don't think my scissors can deal with that. They're small scissors. Yeah, that's as smooth as I can get this now. So when I do that, it looks like When I do that, it looks like a weird frosted donut. But when I do this, it looks like a brown C. Okay. Now, what's gonna be the dealio with this inside? I'm gonna fold it inside out, like. There we go. See what it looks like if I just make right there smooth. Ow! My foot landed on something. I don't know what to call it. Bins. I'm just leaving my foot there. I don't know why, but I am. That was satisfying. Okay. That's as smooth as I can get it. It's actually kind of really smooth. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh. What is this turning into? Is it going to be a face? Let's make it a face. These will be the eyes. One will be deformed. Now I have to make this smiley. Or the whatever face it wants. Oh! It's perfect. Look how messy my table is, so. So messy. Now I kind of just want to cut it till it's just this stuff. But I'm not going to do that on camera. So, maybe I am. I'll just rip these little pieces. Okay, be quiet, be quiet. Tell everybody at home to be quiet and listen. If you could hear that. I'm gonna put it right against the microphone. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's like this little tearing noise. That's it for this video. So if you liked it, please subscribe and like and turn on those post notifications to see whenever I post. And I promise if I get to 1,000 likes, like last video, I will do a big pause challenge with all my friends. So, bye!